Hi everybody, and welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're showing today, this is a single auger filler. A lot of you are familiar with them. This is Mateer, the people who invented it. We're operating on 220 single phase voltage with a supplementary control voltage of 120 single phase. The main drive motor operates the auger. In this case, the progressive cavity pump, we'll explain that in a minute, is a single phase. It can operate on 115, 230, and like I said, it does need that supplementary control voltage. This unit is equipped with an open style hopper, and you can see it has the progressive cavity oil pump in there. We believe that's a number 1. It's about 3/4 of an inch in OD. And you can operate from the controls here very simply. You can use a single impulse by a foot pedal. You can run or empty the hopper, or just empty the hopper. And you'll see you'll run continuously if you wanted to discharge everything you had in there. The control in the center here, the little digicount controller, that's for when you're operating by foot pedal. So we're going to show you that right now. There's a small foot pedal here on the bottom, and impulse, and we're getting 3,200, whatever that revolution correlates to. Now you'll see above that there's a recycle auto feature. Now what that does is operate off the recycle timer here. You set the length of time you want the going to happen, and it will do it with a few seconds of delay between each cycle. We have everything in process and packaging in our inventory, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for video today.